In this video, we'll go over telos. What are the coin's fundamentals? And what price we may expect it to hit by the end of this year. With the current changes in SEC regulations, the cryptocurrency markets have definitely seen a change in the past few years. With the rise of meme coins and NFTs, cryptocurrency itself has now taken the attention worldwide, and we are now seeing a new market cycle in the crypto space. Now, let's get right to the video. Imagine throwing $100 and turning that into over $10,000 overnight. Well, that's exactly what's happened with many people who have dabbled into cryptocurrency. Sure, no one really knows what coin can make you an insane return, unless you have inside information or know that you will be promoted at an insane rate. But simply looking at a coin's fundamentals can make the world of a change from investing into something that will hit rock bottom or go straight to the moon. For this coin, many believe that a 10 to 50x can be very attainable as long as the coin follows through with a roadmap and enhances the network. So, what is telos? Telos is built for speed and scalability, making it the ideal network for mainstream adoption. Telos-based tokens, NFTs, and smart contracts are already used for DeFi, gaming, social media apps, and many more use cases. Telos is home to over 100 distinct applications, including Taikai, Qdo, Cubicles, Apix, Wordproof, Seeds, Zeptogram, and New Life. These applications enjoy the network's speed and scale, but also the robust on-chain services that Telos provides for voting, sentiment, decentralized file storage, location, and much more. To make an accurate prediction, first we need to look at the efficiency of the coin and any updates it might currently have. The network is home to the most performant version of the Ethereum virtual machine available. Telos is the only blockchain to support the leading standard EVM for smart contract development. These two technologies together make up the majority of the top dApps on popular tracking websites such as dApp Radar, a Layer 1 Ethereum virtual machine built to power Web3. Unlike other scalable EVMs, Telos EVM is not just a fork of the original Go Ethereum code. It's an entirely new EVM that takes full advantage of the power that Telos technology has to offer. Considering all mass adoption takes place and Bitcoin having hit all of its consolidation periods, we can see the price hitting 75 cents by the end of the year. Having all this in mind and what the founders are doing, we can easily see the coin hit another 10 to 20x by 2025. Remember that the best way to make money with any investment is to be patient with your investments and let them grow over time. Comment down below for any cryptocurrency price prediction you'd like next. Remember, one should always do their own research when investing into anything. We are proud to provide any updates on cryptocurrency coins, but should not be taken as financial advice. If you liked the video, give this video a thumbs up as it helps our community.